Kain tayo ng Magnum na chocolate. Magnum. Favorite ko to eh. Masama ang pakaramdam ko. Masama ang pakaramdam ko na minain tayo. My favorites. Favorite ko itong ano, yung Magnum na strawberry ang loob. White chocolate yung ano, yung labas. Tapos strawberry yung loob. I love it. It's too yummy. Thank you for watching and kindly follow for more of my videos. Yummy na strawberry. White at strawberry ang loob. Magnum. Thank you for watching and kindly follow for more of my videos. Good evening.